Everyone, welcome to a new project. This is an album. I'm not going to call it a mini album because it's really big. It's an album using the beautiful Amazonia collection from Stamperia. It's big, as I just mentioned. Let me give you some measurements. The cover is 11 by 9. Pages are 10.5 tall, 8.5 wide. I had 2 12 by 12, 2 8 by 8, the collectibles. You'll see everything in the first video that I have to work with, and I've also done, I believe, a haul with this. But I had wooden shapes, I had chipboards, I had rice papers. These little butterflies that you see here, they're from Prima. So let me just go over what we've got. This is a leather or crocodile looking paper that's from Prima. Everything is from Scrap and Create. This is a design project for Scrap and Create, and there'll be a link below. You can get all your supplies. But that's what this is. And there is one of the 12 by 12s, I believe it is, underneath here, and then rice paper on top. And then I have fussy cuts from the Collectibles collection, which is sort of a tall, thin pad of pieces for you to fussy cut. I have... This looks like cheesecloth, and that's what you should use if you've got it as cheesecloth. I didn't have any. I had, it's like a bookbinding cloth, book cloth, and that's what I used. But it's basically the same thing. Only cheesecloth is soft and book cloth is really stiff. And then I have some burlap ribbon. As I mentioned, a Prima butterfly. These are the chipboards, these leaves here. And then these here are wooden shapes. And then before I open it, I'll also show you that I have on the, instead of a closure, it didn't need a closure, but I wanted some decoration. So I made tabs for the side pocket inserts and hung, I just put a grommet in and used bulb pins, that one's twisted, to hang some little charms. So let me just fix that one. And that's what those are. All right, so let's open it up. And I hope that you can see everything. Let me just stand up. I just want to see if you're all on camera here. Yes, you are. Good. Okay. So on the inside front cover, we have rice paper. There's regular paper, then rice paper, same as on the cover. From the Collectibles, cut aparts. This is one of the wooden shapes. This is one of the chipboards. So basically I used everything. So that's the inside front cover. Here, this is just one sheet of paper, but there is a little fussy cut right here from the Collectibles, this little parrot. And then this flips up. Gosh, I hope you can see. And I've just got a leopard print on the inside of that flap. And then these open up like this. And then side pocket insert. I'm not going to pull these all out, but I'll just, you know what? I'm going to pull one that's easier. There's a lot of magnets involved on that one, I think. No, there's not. Should be able to get it out. Oh, there are. So I've just got craft front and back and a narrow strip on the edges front and back, and then circles to make the tabs, 2-inch circle punch. And I'm not going to pull them all out, but that's how they were made. Put that back. Let me double check just for size. This thing is so big, I want to make sure you can see it. Okay. Now here we have, this is one long pocket, but I'm going to show you how to put a gusset in the middle of a long pocket so that you can separate out the items that you put in the pocket. And that's what I have here. And then this, let me just get, I don't have anything in it, but there is a pocket here, okay? And then I was basically out of paper. I strongly recommend that you get 3 12 by 12 and 2 8 by 8 for this, but you know, you can do it with 2. And then this opens like that and like that, and there's a side pocket here like that, and then that, and side pocket insert here. This is a pocket with a flap, and there's just a little card in it. And then this is a pocket. Can I slide this? I hope you can still see it. Okay, and then these, I didn't put anything in, but these are belly bands. And and they open, and there's a little pocket here, and a pocket here, and a pocket here. I did not use the usual large number of inserts that I normally do because I just didn't have the paper to do it. Okay, and then here we have a pocket, and this is a little booklet. I'll have to put some craft on that, I forgot. And then we have this one here. I'm going to slide this a little so you can see it well. So we assembled this whole frame situation using all kinds of stuff. We have fussy cuts from the collectibles. We have fussy cuts from the inside back cover of the 12 by 12. We have some wooden shapes. This is a wooden shape here. This is a wooden shape, I think. No, that's a chipboard. This is chipboards, more fussy cuts. This is a wooden shape. This little bug is a chipboard. This is one of the Prima butterflies that I had. And then I'm going to slide this a little bit down because I need to show you that you can slide this out. Okay. That is a frame. So you can, right now I've got this awesome jaguar, but you could put your photo there. Okay. And in order to get this back in, just need to turn it sideways. All right. And you just want to be a little careful when you're putting it in that it doesn't catch on anything. And you might run into the bottom of the pocket, and I want to show you how to deal with that if you do. Okay, there we go. Yeah, if you ever have trouble, just slide something with a little body to it in there. Okay, there we go. I love that page. Okay, then on here on the back, we just have a card that's removable, and you could put a picture on the back. And there's that. Magnets holding that in place. Here we have a little fussy cut parrot, and then a pocket with our little jaguar peeking out. And that is that. I love that one. I'm going to leave it there. So, I hope you will join me to make it. It is a lot of fun. It's not difficult. It's just big. Uses a lot of paper. But it's not difficult to do. And I guess that is it. So I will see you next time, and we will get started with making this. I will have a list of supplies down below, or if it's not down below, it'll be on the cutting guide. And the cutting guide will be below most likely the first video, because I haven't typed it yet. So I'm fixing this whole thing. So it may not be there right now, but I will tell you, you need 2, preferably 3 12 by 12. You can make it with 2, but 3 would be better if you can do it. 2 8 by 8, the collectibles, the chipboards, the wooden shapes, and there's more than one set of wooden shapes. You want the one with the big parrot like this in it, if you want the same things I have. Package of Prima butterflies, 1 package will do. 2 rice papers. I had, this one here is the one that has the big parrot on it, even though you can't see it, but that's the one I used there. And this is the one with the butterflies, so you'll need that, and you'll need your crocodile paper. I used green cardstock to make this. It's what I had. Dark brown would work, black would work. Any of those would be just fine. Craft would work too. If I used craft, I would heavily ink it though. You'll get your charms when you order from Scrap and Create. That's where all these came from. They came with the collection. Well, not, they're not part of Stamperia's collection, but when you buy from Scrap and Create, they give you a little mesh bag. I don't think yeah, here's one. This is for a different collection, but you'll get a little mesh bag with metal pieces and charms. All right. I feel like I'm talking really fast. I'm excited because I just finished this and I had so much fun. So, I will see you next time we'll get started. Please visit Scrap and Create. Like, share, and subscribe the video. It really helps. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.